Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make a card heart. First, let's gather our simple supplies. You'll need one sheet of paper, ideally 8.5 by 11 inches, along with a pair of scissors and a ruler. These basic tools are all you need to begin crafting a beautiful paper heart in just a few easy steps. We'll start by preparing our paper for the initial folds. Now, let's get to the first folds. Take your paper and fold it in half lengthwise, making sure to press down firmly for a sharp crease. Then, unfold it. Next, fold each of the long edges inward so they meet that center crease you just made. This will give you 4 equal vertical sections, forming the foundational shape for our heart design. With our base folds complete, it's time to give our heart its distinctive shape. First, fold the top 2 corners down so their points meet the center line. Then, flip your paper over. Now, fold the bottom 2 corners inward, creating a more defined base. Finally, to achieve those lovely curves, fold down the very top 2 corners, making small triangular folds. And there you have it. Your paper heart is almost complete. Take a moment to gently crease all your folds, ensuring everything looks neat and tidy. Now, the fun part: personalize your heart. You can use markers, colored pencils, or even a touch of glitter to make it uniquely yours. This simple, heartfelt craft is perfect for sharing with loved ones or adding a special touch to any space.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.